Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous goodie for upcoming Gudi Padwa festival, that is the Hindu New Year, and I have made this using completely paper only. So without any delay, let's start with procedure. First I am taking this printing paper which measures 21 by 15 centimeters, and I am going to make the stand. For this we need to create one pipe. I'm just curling it little bit using scissors. Now take any paint brush and roll your paper around this to make the pipe. I have just secured it using glue. Now I'm taking one yellow color paper which measures 10 by 15 centimeters, and I'm going to wrap this paper around the pipe. Like this. Then to decorate the stand I am using 3 mm red color strip and golden color paper strip. So just wrapping it around it like this. And the stand is ready. Then just add little glue and I will start wrapping 5 strips of dark blue color 5 mm around this so that we can stand the pipe easily. Just secured it and this is done. Now I'm taking maroon color cardstock and using 7 centimeter radius, making one semicircle. This cardstock is having 180 GSM thickness. Just cut it using scissors and I'm going to make one cone using this for the base of the goodie. Just add glue and the cone is ready. Now here I am taking this 30 by 2 centimeters golden paper strip, and in the bottom part I am making some zigzags to decorate the goodie part. Now I am taking 30 by 10 centimeter maroon color fabric cloth. This is a fabric paper actually, And I'm going to stick this golden zigzag strip in the bottom part. Like this. Then using my paper trimmer, I am going to cut 2 centimeter strips from this. Since this is little wet, so I am cutting the bottom part using scissors. So you have to make 15 to 20 strips using this. Now taking back the cone, and I will start adding these strips one by one all around the cone, and each time I will overlap one strip on other so that it will look like a plates, like we wear sari and we create plates. Similarly, I am creating plates here so that it will look like a sari. And in the similar way, I have covered whole cone and it's looking very nice. Now keep it aside for some time. Then I am starting with making the kalash. For this I am taking 10 strips of golden color 3 mm and I am making one tight coil. So tight coil is ready. Then to create the top part of kalash, I am taking your spray bottle and around this I will add 7 strips of golden color 3 mm and making one ring. So this is also done. Add glue and secure it. The diameter of the ring and the tight coil should be same. Now using my quilling mold, I am just shaping both the ring and tight coil. Add glue inside the both, spread it using brush and connect with each other. Like this. Then here I have prepared one more ring using 2 strips of golden color 3 mm, and I am going to add this ring on top of the kalash. For this ring also I have used the same spray bottle cap, and the kalash is ready. Then taking back the goodie which we have created, and I have decorated it with a green color ball chain and some stones randomly. Now taking back the stand, and here I am taking one more ring which is made using 15 strips of dark blue color 5 mm for the base of the stand, and on the edge I have just added scallop border, and on top I have added one pattern paper. So you can adhere inside the ring or on the top of the pattern paper. So I have decided to connect this on pattern paper. So in place of ring you can also create complete tight coil for the base. But just to save little paper I have created the ring, because no one can know that we have created ring for the base. Now I have just stuck my stand with the base, and on this I will add the goodie. Then here in the base I have decorated it with a green color ball chain and some stones. Now I am taking this golden color thick paper circle which is having 7 cm diameter, and I am going to stick my stand on top of this. Then to decorate the base golden stand I am taking half strip of yellow color and making teardrop shape. In the same way I have prepared some more teardrops, and now one by one all around the golden part I am going to arrange these yellow color teardrops. Like this. So just complete it, and it's done, and it should look like this. Then here I am just adding one small piece of stone chain in the front part. You can take any side as a front part, just wiping out the excess glue. And then here I have prepared this cute garland of paper. I had just taken 2 green color strip like this, added the leaves here and there, and in the front I have added some small paper flowers in yellow and orange color alternatively. So I am going to adhere this garland as well around the neck of the goodie. And now taking back my kalash, I have added one golden color ball chain around the neck of the kalash and made one swastik sign using red color gel pen. Now I am going to stick the kalash on top of the goodie. So just adding little glue and adding the kalash little tilted. It looks nice. So the very cute miniature goodie is ready for the festival. I am sure you will try it very soon, and you can stand it anywhere to decorate your house. So cute. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest update. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.